Hello, welcome to Breaking Sign, where we bring you the latest in architecture innovation. Today, we're going to take a look at a stunning single-level house on a steep slope that became a masterpiece of design and sustainability. The house is located in Chile, and it was designed by the architects of Elton&Deves Arquitectos and Chamorro Arquitecto. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Now, let's get started. The location. The location of the house is one of its main attractions. The house is located in Colina, a town in the north of Santiago, the capital of Chile. The house is situated on a plot of land that has a steep slope, with a difference of 25 meters between the highest and the lowest point. The house is surrounded by nature, with a view of the hills, the valley, and the sea. The concept. The concept of the house was to create a single-level house that has direct contact with the land, as requested by the owners. The concept was also to create a terracing effect that minimizes the impact on the slope, and that maximizes the views and the orientations. The concept was also to create a simple and elegant expression, using a single material and a single shape. The form. The form of the house is based on a simple and elegant geometry, a rectangular prism that adapts to the slope of the site, with a flat roof that extends beyond the walls. The form consists of a single floor, with a length of 60 meters and a width of 12 meters. The form also has a large opening on the north and south facades, with sliding glass doors that connect the interior and the exterior. The form is designed to optimize the space, the structure, and the aesthetics, as well as to create a sense of openness and transparency. The roof. The roof of the house is the main protagonist of the house, that formally ties everything together and allows to control the extreme climate of the site. The roof is a mantle under which the rooms unfold, entering, exiting and twisting to create patios protected from the wind and flowing towards the most optimal views and orientations. The roof generates large eaves that protect from the sun, with perforations to ventilate and to have a superior view of the hills. The roof also has an inverted truss that opens and inflects the house to the back hills and to the valley, mountains and distant hills in front, visually tying the house to its surroundings. The bridge. The bridge of the house is a glazed structure that crosses from one hill to the other at the same level, over a small creek. The bridge articulates the public and private areas of the house, with full view to front and back. The bridge also allows to stop in the double south and north view, as a very hierarchical place of the house in the recognition of the place. The bridge also creates a contrast and a balance with the solid and heavy mass of the house. The materials. The materials of the house are carefully chosen to reflect the character and the quality of the house. The main material is metal, which is used for the exterior and interior walls, the roof, and the furniture of the house. The metal has a neutral and natural feel, and it helps create a sculptural and minimalist aesthetic. The metal also has a low maintenance and a high durability, making it suitable for the climate. The other material is glass, which is used for the windows, the doors, and the bridge of the house. The glass is transparent and seamless, and it helps blur the boundaries between the interior and the exterior. The glass also brings natural light and ventilation into the house. The sustainability. The sustainability of the house is achieved by using passive design strategies, such as the orientation of the building, the use of natural light and ventilation, and the integration of the landscape. The house also uses local materials and technologies to reduce the transport effort and to reveal the landscape. The house also uses a roof structure with cross ventilation, and a structure mainly of partition walls, except for some structural elements in concrete. The house also uses very few finishing elements, for a unitary resolution. The house is a stunning single-level house on a steep slope, that became a masterpiece of design and sustainability. The house is designed by the architects of Elton&Deves Arquitectos and Chamorro Arquitecto, who created a single-level house that has direct contact with the land, a terracing effect that minimizes the impact on the slope, and a simple and elegant expression, using a single material and a single shape. The house is also designed to use a roof that ties everything together and controls the climate, a bridge that articulates the public and private areas and offers a double view, and a metal and glass materiality that contrasts and complements each other. The house is a masterpiece of design and construction, that showcases the best of simplicity, elegance, and innovation. The house is also a home, where the owners can enjoy the beauty and the tranquility of the nature, and create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Well, thanks for joining us today on Breaking Sign. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting architecture insights. Until next time, keep creative idea running.